It is crucial to clarify that I am not a registered financial advisor and this content is purely educational. Trading in stock, future and stock options involves a significant risk, and it is essential for investors to assess their own financial situation and risk tolerance before engaging in any trading activities. The leverage involved can amplify both gains and losses, making it vital to only invest what you can afford to lose. Understanding this risk is the first step in making informed trading decisions. SmartANT script is designed to enhance breakout trading strategies by focusing on a key market movement. It helps traders identifying potential breakout points, allowing for timely entry and exit decisions. This approach can be particularly beneficial in volatile market where quick reactions are necessary to capitalize on a price movement. SmartANT by Ant is a Pine script tailored for a trading view aimed at providing traders with a dynamic assessment of market conditions. It especially calculates the high and low of first candle based on the selected time frame, which is instrumental in establishing a trading zone. These zones guides trader in making informed decision, enhancing their ability to navigate the market effectively. The SmartANT script highlights the high and low of first candle of the day, making these labels with distinct colors for easy identification. This visual cue helps traders determine whether the current price is in tradable or non-tradable zone. Additionally, it dynamically calculates the target and stop loss level based on user input, which is essential for effective risk management in trading. Utilizing the SmartANT script offers several advantages for traders. It is only helps in identifying trading opportunities but also provides clear entry and exit point which are crucial for executing trade effectively. The script enhances risk management by dynamically adjusting target and stop loss level based on the real-time market condition, allowing traders to respond swiftly to changes. To start using the SmartANT script, simply search for SmartANT on dashboard on the trading view. Once located, you can easily add it to your chart by clicking Start Marked. Alternatively, you can access it through Invite Only section, ensuring you have the right tools to your disposal for effective trading. As it is shown marked with arrows, this is what you have to do, and you have to go to Invite Only. This slide visually presents how the SmartANT script appears on TradingView. Observing its layout and indicators it provides can help trade understand how to interpret the data effectively in real market. Familiarity with the visual elements will enhance your ability to utilize the script in real-time trading scenarios. Just observe the screen so that it will give more clarity to you. Choosing the right time frame is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of the SmartANT script. The optimal time frame vary by instrument, which specific recommended for index option and stocks. This guidance helps traders align their strategy with the market behavior, ensuring they are well positioned to capitalize on the opportunities as they arise. Normally, we suggest 1:1. That is, if you have a time frame chart 5 minutes, then in SmartANT also setting make it 5 minutes only. Implementing the SmartANT script can similarly enhance a trader's analytical capability. By following the best practices and adapting the script to various market conditions, traders can improve their ability to identify the opportunities and manage the risk and effectively. This adaptability is crucial for the maintain a competitive edge in the ever-changing trading landscape. Follow the best practices to maximize your profits. Common pitfalls to avoid. It is important to recognize no trade zone indicates by yellow lines on the chart. These are the signifies periods where trading may not be advisable due to market condition. By avoiding this zone, traders can minimize the risk and focus on more favorable trading opportunities, enhancing their overall trading strategy. One more important thing is wait for candle to complete. Do not take the trade while candle is forming. Here we have a live recording of various trading session, including Bank Nifty, Nifty, Sensex, and cryptocurrency. This recording serves as a practical examples of how to apply SmartANT script in real-time scenario. This study will help you a lot, offering traders a chance to observe strategy in action and learn from live market condition. Here there are first one is the Bank Nifty, which is from 9:15 to 3:30 live recording is done. The rest of the things are for Nifty, Sensex, and stock recording is done for the replay mode. In trading view, we've done a replay mode recording so that it will save the time, because otherwise you have to say it for 6 hours to understand that particular thing, or you have to look that videos into fast forward mode. So first video is for a longer one. But next three videos are sorted, and we'll share this particular links in YouTube description, so that you can click on this link and you can see the things also. Now, following these slides highlights the importance of recognizing no trade zones or sideways markets. Understanding this condition can help traders avoid necessary risk and focus on more promising trading opportunities, ultimately leading to a better decision making in their trading strategies. So understand the following screens properly. So I'll give you a lot of explanation also on next slides also. So in sideways markets, such as when observing a bank nifty spot and specific strike options, traders may find limited movement. This scenario often leads to losses for option buyers unless they engage in fast scalping. Recognize this market condition essential for adapting a trading strategy accordingly. Let's see in the next screens. So this is a bank nifty spot chart, 25th February 2025. Illustrates market behavior over a specific period. After an initial move, the market may remain sideways, which is crucial for trader to analyze. Observing the subsequent strike charts for option can provide insight into potential price movement and inform the trading decision. Now you can see after this particular 10:20, the market is totally sideways till the market closes. So you can just see at the very end, like when the about to market close, it has given a breakout, but not the big moves also. So these are all things. Now we'll see the next chart for the strikes also. This slides is for 48,600 Nifty call 25th February 2025. Performs our specific data. Analyzing the chart helps traders understand the dynamic option trading and factors influencing the price movement, which is vital for making informed trading decision. Now suppose this is now breakout is even given at immediately after 9:15, after 9:15 or 9:30 it has given the breakout, and you can see it was the call was totally below. Here you have to use a sell, and not you don't have to go for a buy of call, otherwise would have made lost a lot of money. Like suppose you have purchased on this and the closing was quite low, so here you have to make a informed decision. Here it is better not to go for a buy option on call side. Similar to the previous slide, this one focus on Bank Nifty 48,600 put 25th February. Understanding the behavior of the put option in relation to the market movement for trader looking to hedge their position or capitalize downward price. Now here, if you have taken a put option on this breakout, you could have earn a huge amount, like so it is market is totally down only. The put will give you the major benefits here. Now, after going through all this process, you may have some question and answer or some practical things you can ask here. Feel free to ask questions in comments, and we'll reply at our required times. So, to allowing the question collaborating learning environment, allowing traders to clarify doubts and share insights. This interaction is vital for enhancing understanding and improving the trading strategy and the usage of SmartANT. Thank you very much.